reception area. Big map of the site outside the door. Good morning. And it's very detailed map. Very nice. A big day for Dolphin Holiday Resort in the area. A Checkers Centre is opening here. Not sure what's happening. Lots of people standing around, but not open to the public yet. But yeah, definitely nice to have right here at the Caravan Park. Checkers food and a liquor shop. And then just down the road, just down there by that building, there's a little alleyway and go down to the beach. Not far down to the beach. Flags up on that side, so that must be the swimming area there. And some rocks on this side of the beach. Pedestrian entrance. Road only comes down to here. Then it becomes a walkway for the last length of a campsite. So when you stay in any of these alleys, you won't get car traffic coming past your site. Volleyball site, some tables and chairs out here by the tea garden, and a TV. Big undercover area. Some more tables and chairs. And there's some bra spots with grids in the corner. And here, 2 trampolines. Right here by the trampolines and next to the pool. Big jungle gym play area. Big chess set. And then the pool area. Nice and clean pool. Lots of grass around the pool. Wash up area. Lots of washing line outside, twirly dry, windy dry, lots of lines. Lots of washing machines, all coin operated. Play area, pool table, table tennis, TV, another pool table, darts board. Open on this side. Another ablution block across the road from it. Some sites have got a little row of plants either side of it. And then some other sites, there's 2 sites next to each other with no partition between it. Car wash. Don't see anybody around, so most probably you've got to wash your own car. Plug points, and then some sites have got TV connection as well. 2 sites to a tap, I think it is. Ablution block. Gents on this side, ladies on the other side. The ablution blocks looks very neat and tidy. I think it's the cleanest and tidiest I've ever seen at any campsite, well, so far anyway.